Hi everyone, I wanted to make a very quick video on your personal preparation for security and crowd management deployments. Critical at this point in time, it's May 2022, it's a return to big live events from pretty much nearly a 3-year gap. So firstly, why is it important? Our packaging, this is our packaging, our uniforms, our packaging. And when we're out working, we're representing our customer, we represent our team and our colleagues, we represent the company that we work for, we're representing the UK security and crowd management industry, but most importantly, we're representing ourselves. So, 5 Ps. Perfect planning prevents pathetic performance. The way I like to think of things, think of what is a footballer doing now ahead of the final this Saturday? What's a band or a pop star doing before they go and perform? They don't just rock up on the pitch and hope for the best, rock up onto the stage, hope for the best. They plan, they rehearse, they think of everything. So, week leading up to a big deployment, I might get a haircut, I'll definitely be trimming my beard or having a shave. On the day, I'll cut my nails. It's these sorts of small things. I won't train too hard the day before a big deployment. So I'm well rested and I can do my job to the best of my ability. So what I'm going to show you very quickly now is prep for a 1-day deployment. If we were away for multiple days, there'd be different things we'd be taking. But this is based on getting home at the end of the day as well. So stage 1 for me, this is what works. It's what's worked for 20 years. I write a list. Real simple list. There we go. But then I can check off on that list and inspect my kit as I go. So very quickly here, we've got some boots, pre-polished, sometimes put the polish on, leave it overnight, take it off with an off brush. This is the polish I use. It's Parade Gloss Prestige. I'll want to know what the weather's going to do. That'll affect exactly how I'm going to dress, but it's going to be sunny when I'm out this weekend, so I've got my sun hat. If it was going to be cold, I'd have a cold hat. I'll take socks. So before I go, I'll probably fill my socks with talcum powder. That's just what I like. I know I've got a lot of walking to do. I'll probably cover about 10 miles on Sunday. So walking socks. It's going to be sunny. These are my sunglasses. I love them. They fold up, real small, and they can fit in my pocket. Personal preference, the glasses. Here's my trousers, black trousers, no logos. If I had a logo on them, I'd probably just shade that in with a permanent marker. And onto my kit. So my t-shirt. I'll iron the sleeves, make it nice. I love a nice crease in the sleeve. Again, personal standards. My vest, so looking at my vest, I'll give it a quick inspection. I always just leave my license in there. One thing I've noticed on my vest, I've worn this a few times, and it's fraying a little bit. I don't know whether you can see that on the camera, but I've got a little thread there. So I'll be pulling these off. I might even get a lighter out, give them a bit of a singe, make sure they don't come back. And a jacket. I'll probably not wear this, it's going to stay in the boot of my car. Based on the weather on Sunday. So, 2 more things really critical to remember. The smarter you dress, the better people will treat you. So, some research has been done, and we've got 2 stewards. One behaving exactly the same as the other one, but one was in uniform and one wasn't. Uniform steward, 4 times as likely to get approached versus the non-uniformed steward just in a high-vis vest. Okay, now this is even more critical. The main thing for you to remember this weekend when you're working, smile. So, 2 stewards next to each other dressed exactly the same. The steward making eye contact with a nice warm smile was 14 times more likely to get approached by a member of the public with a question. So, that's it from me. Good luck, especially if this is your first time on a deployment with us. Have lots of fun, enjoy meeting your new colleagues. Just make sure you look the absolute best.